So today I'm down to 9 days before I get on a plane and leave this country for another year, which is insane. I got my visa, I got my passport back. I'm basically all done. I've already started some packing, so I've packed all my socks, which I have a lot of socks and I really like my socks, so I'm taking quite a few socks. But yeah, so I just wanted to update you on that and do like a video of the last week and a half before I leave, so I'll put in a few videos of me around the house enjoying my last few days. Hi guys! So as you can see, it's really early in the morning. It's like 7:30 and it's one day after my last video, so today marks the 8-day mark. Anyway, we got a lot of pre-arrival videos yesterday, which was cool. So we got basically all the instructions we already had on a website, and we got to see the housing complexes and everything. It was a lot of fun. I nearly cried. I had goosebumps all over. It was really cool. So I just wanted to say that those videos are amazing, and I wish I did more with videos and less with pages and pages and pages of text. So what I'm doing right now, I'm in the process of making bread. This is my yeast. I'm developing my yeast. I think that's what it's called. And then I'm making some bread.
Okay, so what I need for my bread is flour. This I'll translate it on the screen here because I'm not sure what this is, but it's like a darker flour. Then I have some dried tomatoes. They have a little bit of oil in them, which I'll use. Some sunflower oil or any other oil you like. And this is my yeast. I think it's called proofed. It has proofed in a cup of water with a little bit of sugar, so I'll just pour the flour in and see if I can do this. I think this is about 500 grams. It's all we had left of this this type of flour, so I'll just use this one. So that one's empty, and now I'll make a hole in the middle, and I have to start filming it now because this is gonna be.
So I found something, a way to film this without making a mess of my phone. So I make a well in the middle, like a dent. You can't. That's fine. And in this dent, I'm gonna pour some oil. Honestly, this is mostly just a guessing game. So I pour some. Oh, I can't open it. Ah, I got it. It is new. Ooh! Yes. So I pour some oil in it. Just like a tiny bit, and I'll see later if I need more. Now I'm gonna. Sorry, I'm a little bit like sick, so my nose is a little bit stuffy. Sorry about that. I'm gonna open up my tomatoes, and I probably have to cut these, so I'll just stop for a minute and cut mine. So I'll put some tomatoes in there. I'll just show this to you very carefully. Yes. And I'll have my yeast mixture, and I'll just pour it in here. Yay, some yeast. And now comes the fun part. It's mixing it all together. Well, since I don't use any measurements, sometimes it happens to not be the way I want it to be. So I might need to add some more water or oil or something like that. I'll see it later. So I definitely didn't put enough tomatoes because I can't see them at all. Go ahead, add some more tomatoes, add some more water, add some more oil, and I'll show you when that's done. So please excuse this awful mess I made, but I forgot to tell you I added some salt as well, I added some more water, and I added a ton more of the tomatoes. So what I'll do now is I'll try and get the olive oil open. So I opened this, and now I have a new bowl, and I'm gonna pour some of the oil in here, and then I'll oil the bowl so that I have a nicely oiled bowl, and I'll take this blob and put it in here. I put it in the bowl. I covered it loosely with a lid, so there's a little bit of room for it to breathe. Now I'll put it in a warm spot. Let's see if I can find one like that, and let it rest for 1.5 to 2 hours, depends on how long it needs. Sometimes it needs longer, sometimes it doesn't need as long, and until it's kind of doubled in size. And then, yeah, I'll see you in 1.5 hours. So this is a disclaimer. I'm not a professional chef or baker or anything. I did this in New Zealand because I couldn't get any other bread, and now my parents want me to make some bread for them. So it's just all fun, and if it turns out bad, it turns out bad. And if you know how to make bread better, write me a comment and tell me. So
I started preheating the oven to 250 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit, and I kneaded the dough again after I took it out of the bowl. Kneaded it and some flour, that's why it looks like a mess here, and put it on here in a nice little blob. Put some flour on the bottom and on the top, and now I'll let it rest for another 20 minutes, so that's why I'm preheating the oven so it can get ready. And it's going in the oven! Yay! Nearly done! And I have cleaning to do. So I forgot to say this, but I covered it up with a towel. But my oven is hot. My bread is rested. What I'll do now is a very important step. I'll get a knife, like this one, and I'll make some slices. They should be quite deep. Anyway, so I made some slices here, and I'll put some water on the bread, just like dab it on with my finger. That gives it a nice crust. At least that's what the internet says. Okay, and into the oven with this one. It's super hot, so be really careful. Let's see if I can do it. So, remember how I put it on 250 when I preheated it? Now I turn it down to 200 so that the bread is a really nice hot blast of air at first, and then cooks down at 200. So yeah, this will take about like 40 minutes, I guess. Okay, here it is. The bread is out of the oven. I'm just leaving it to cool down on this rack so it can cool down evenly and not have the bottom be weird. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let's see how it tastes later. It needs to cool down. It's super hot.
hi, so this is in between flour, maybe. So I'm waiting for the bread to rise, and I thought I'd show you something else I'm working on right now. So I bought this little booklet yesterday. It's like for sketches if you're an artist, and I thought I could make my own autograph book out of it. So yesterday, I don't know if you can see this, I cut out this castle, well yes you can, out of like iridescent paper, so it's gonna be part of it. So what I do now is I'll do some watercoloring on this, put it on the top and make a nice cover for it, and then I'll see if I can design some of the pages as well, but I don't know if I'll actually get around to it. I forgot that I do have A4 watercolor paper, so it does fit on here. Yay! So I can use that. I have to say I'm not the biggest fan of this paper. It's a little bit too thick for my liking and too textured. The other one's a little thinner and smoother, but that's what we have to deal with today because this one is actually the right size. So this is what I have right now. So I just took some, this is like a pink and this is some purple, mixed them with white, put it on here, and let's compare the castle to it. Ta-da! I think it looks quite cute. I'll dry this, cut it, and put on the thing, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I thought I could update you again. The thing I painted is upstairs and drying, so I put my name in here and my email address so that if I lose this, someone can get it back to me. I used a picture so that I can get like the measurements, so I know, because I want to have a picture here and then the signature here, and then I tried to draw a Mickey. I kind of failed. It doesn't look very pretty, but who cares? So picture here, signature here, next page, Minnie! So picture here, signature here, and I'm putting page numbers so that I can do like a little thing so I know where everyone is. And then Donald! And that's as far as I've gotten. I just cut down the watercolor piece and now I glued it on here. It's not really holding on. I might need to get another glue. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. I'll show you what I've done on the inside. So I've done Minnie, she got a bow. Oh my god. Donald. Daisy. Goofy. I don't know, I couldn't find any good things to draw for Goofy, and I tried to draw his head, but that looked really weird. So I just left it like this. I have Pluto, Stitch, Eeyore. I thought I'd draw something cute for him. And Piglet. And yeah, that's everything so far. I'll do some more and try and glue this on. And then I'll put this castle on here. Like that. And then I write something like Laura's autograph book or something. I thought I could update you guys again. I hope you can hear me. It's quite windy. I went to the gym with my family. Now I'm in my hometown, which is Wolfsburg. if you're German, you know it. If you're not German, you probably don't know it. But I'm going to have dinner with a friend. Sorry for the very blurry picture, but it's later now. It's like around 8. And I'm making my way back to my car, and then I'm going home and spending some time with my family, and then I'll go to sleep. But I had a nice dinner with my friend, and yeah. Hi guys, so me and my room kind of look like a mess, but excuse that. It's 7:51 in the morning, and I'm going to have lunch with my grandparents today, which doesn't sound that exciting, but we're actually going somewhere that's like 2 hours drive away, which kind of is a new thing for us, like a tradition, because we did that last year just before I left as well. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. I'm just gonna have some breakfast and see when they arrive. I'll probably have like an hour left, so maybe I'll do some of my puzzle or start packing. So I just put out a few things that I want inside my suitcase as well, but I haven't really packed yet. Hi! So it's about 6 days before I'm flying out, which is still crazy, as I've said about a million times in this video so far. But yeah, yesterday I had lunch with my grandparents, which was a lot of fun. It was very, very tasty. Today I'm going to have dinner with my friends, and then maybe we'll go out and have a beer and something for the last time that we're meeting before I'm leaving. I don't think I'll be able to meet them again. Today I'm going to be working on a photo book of New Zealand, which I still haven't finished. Continue packing, continue making my autograph book. I just wanted to tell you that I ran into some problems with my hotel, which maybe you could do if you're going to the US. So I booked a hotel, I already paid for it and everything, but when I got the email it said that I need to be 21 to check in, and obviously I'm not 21, and obviously I'm going to be all by myself, so I don't have anyone to check me in, which kind of sucked. So I needed to cancel that, and yeah, I needed to look for something else. So I just found an Airbnb that looks really nice. I'll show it to you when I actually get there, but it looks good. It's around the spot where I wanted it to be, like somewhere between like Buena Vista, where all of the housings are, and the Orlando International Airport. So it's right in the middle basically. And yeah, it looks really good. I have a pool, I have a gym, I can use the whole kitchen, which is very good, so I can make my own meals. And yeah, I'm excited for it to finally go, because now I actually have somewhere to stay and I don't have to sleep on the street. So I'm actually in the car right now. We're on our way to have some lunch. We're gonna have some pizza, which I'm very excited for. You can never go wrong with pizza. And then we're finally gonna watch the new Toy Story. I haven't watched that one yet, so Toy Story 4. Very excited for that. I can't wait. I heard it's really good, and this is the only shirt I could find that was kind of fitting. That's from 2010. So yeah, I'm wearing a 2010 Disney World Florida shirt. But yeah, very excited for lunch and then the movie. So right now my parents are getting a lamp for outside area, and yeah, I didn't want to go. I'm a little bit tired, so I'm waiting in the car. We just came back from the cinema. The movie was so good. It was really nice and sad, and yeah, it was really, really good. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, kind of sad I didn't get to see it earlier. Right now I'm making apple crumble so that we have something nice to eat, and while I'm waiting on the cake to finish in the oven, I'm working on my autograph book. Yeah, it's coming along. So I've done like 15 pages already, and yeah, I'm enjoying it. So today is Sunday. We don't have a lot planned today. I'm meeting up with some friends in the evening, as we always do on Sunday, and yeah, I don't think there's anything else. I'll take you along and show you what we're doing in case we do anything. Also, yes, I did forget to show you yesterday's apple crumble, but it was delicious. We had some vanilla ice cream with it, and it was amazing. So just because this video is already quite long, I'm editing it, and it's at around like 15 minutes, and yeah, I'm gonna put it in 2 parts. So the next part is gonna be like from Monday to Thursday when I'm flying off. It's gonna include me making sense of this mess, which is me trying to pack, and yeah, also just really the last few days. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, maybe subscribe and check out my Instagram for behind the scenes, I guess, and more funny stuff and really cute pictures.